Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Toyl, Time of Your Life. So if you want to see what's inside in Toyl October 2021, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, we're unboxing October 2021 Toyl. Let's open it, shall we? So if you're new to Toyl, this is a monthly beauty premium subscription box. It costs £35 a month, including the shipping fee, and every month you will receive premium beauty products. And this subscription box target more women over 40, but in my opinion, I think this is perfect for all age, because I'm under 40, but I'm using the products that I received from them, and I really enjoyed the products that I received. And if you want to subscribe to Toyl, I have my referral code, which is JAYCA, Jayca, and you receive your first pack for only £30, including the shipping fee, which is not bad. So let's start, shall we? So when you open it, lovelies, it looks like this, and it says Toyl Beauty for Life. Welcome to this month's Toyl box. We hope you love it. And then there's a tissue paper, as always, a white tissue paper. And then we have the booklet, and it says, welcome to your October box. Autumn night in. The weather is changing and the nights are getting darker, so what could be more wonderful than some gorgeous beauty treats to make you feel fabulous. Karen Davis, the Toyl founder. And then we have the description of the product with the prices and everything here. So the first product we have from the brand L'Occitane, another great brand, and this is the Rose Callison body lotion. It has 250 ml and it's retail for £24.50. You can see it, and it says, this is such an amazing body lotion, and we are so lucky to have L'Occitane in the box, packed with the shea butter and sunflower seed oil to hydrate even the driest of skin. Its fragrance with rose centiolia de Provence, floral water to give it a hint of summer as you drift off to sleep. Use on dry area, pause to shower, and let this gorgeous lotion sink into your hydrated skin. Let's smell it. Oh, it smells nice. I hope you can smell it, but yeah, it smells rose. So it smells really nice. And then the next one we have here, this is from Nip and Fab Exfoliate, the Glycolic Face Bubble Mask. Here we go. This is a full size, and this one is retail for £7. And it says, glycolic acid is so great for helping our skin reveal glow. It says acid, but take your thoughts to exfoliate rather than peel. This isn't going to be strong enough to peel, but it will help get rid of the top layer of dead cells. Yes. I can't wait to try. Another great brand, Nip and Fab. It's really a great brand. And then we have from the brand Skinician, and this is the Ageless Overnight Retinol Power Balm. Here we go. This one is a full size, and this one it's retail for £61.50. Wow, it looks like this. And it says, this power balm is exactly what you need when your skin is over 40. Retinol or vitamin A is one of the key players in our skincare. So this is the third product. And I think the last product we have 4 products inside. It's from Talgo. Oh, can't wait to try this one. And this is the Ma Douche Frashu, I think. This has 150 ml. It's a full size, and it's retail for £16, and says shower foam as its finest. Talgo is packed with marine goodness, and its shower foam add luxury to your morning and evening ritual. So yes, smells really nice. So yes, that's it for my unboxing. And this month, love this, all the products inside is worth 109 pounds. And let's do a recap. So we have the from Toyl, the Madouche Fraîcheur shower foam. We have a body cream, one from L'Occitane body lotion, and this is the Rose Calisson. And then we have a mask from Nip and Fab, the bubble mask. And then we have Power Balm, a retinol ages overnight retinol power balm from the brand Skinician. So yes, overall this month, yes, it's a thumbs up for me. I will definitely use every single product in this month. It's still a great value for money in my opinion, because it's worth 109 pounds. It's only 35 pounds. I think it's a good box this month too. So if you want to subscribe to Toyl, I have my referral code, which is JAYCA, Jayca, and you will receive this box for only 30 pounds. And that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes. And don't forget also to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.